I'm Grant Milne. I'm a fourth-year graduate student here at UNH working toward my PhD in marine biology, and I'm a member of Bonnie Brown and Jen Mixosold's labs working on ecogenetics and passive acoustics. I do what's called environmental metagenomics, which is basically you collect samples from the environment that contain DNA shed by organisms in that environment, and then you sequence and analyze those against a reference database, and it sort of gives you a snapshot of all of the organisms that are present in some environment. So in the context of my research, I collect water samples to see what taxa might be present in the water column. As far as passive acoustics goes, passive acoustics is essentially deploying a recording device, typically a hydrophone, for underwater recording, and this collects sound from the environment and allows you to observe the soundscape. So what I'm trying to do is combine these two methods to reveal information about the acoustic environment as a whole. And so the acoustic environment takes into consideration the soundscape, which is the collection of sounds present, as well as how sound interacts with the environment through propagation. And so what we're trying to do is see if the metagenomics is able to sort of fill in the gaps in our knowledge of the acoustic environment that we might miss with passive acoustic monitoring.